Condo listings in Mississauga are piling up day by day, and prices, they're quietly sliding down the drain. But what does this actually mean for you as a buyer or a seller? Well, in this video, I'm gonna break down some numbers, some trends, and show you how you, if you're a buyer, can take advantage and maneuver this condo market. This isn't such great news for sellers, but it is definitely great news for you as a buyer if you're looking to get into the Mississauga condo market. So I'm Athar Jafri. I've been selling real estate in Mississauga, in Toronto, and the GTA for more than 20 years. And my goal is just to make the buying and selling process simple. So let's just dive right into some numbers and show you how the Mississauga condo market is acting in today's market. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the sales volume by property type in Mississauga. So here we have detached homes are making up about 43.4% of total sales in Mississauga from January 1st, 2025 till April 30th, 2025. And we have condo apartments at 17.12%. So it's not like they aren't selling, they definitely are still selling, and it's almost 20%. So almost 1/5 of the property types that are selling are condo apartments. Here we have semi-detached at 15.39%, condo townhouses at 12%, which jumped up, and attached row, which is freehold townhouses, at 10%. I want to focus on this one, which is 17.12% condo apartments, okay? And the most active price point for condo apartments in Mississauga is $500,000 to $600,000. So in this price point, you are going to get 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units nowadays in Mississauga. So this is by far the most busiest price point in Mississauga, which is 500 to 600,000 with 246 transactions, okay? The average price right now, it's showing as $564,000 in Mississauga year to date. This is a good indication of where most people are spending their money. They are spending it between $500,000 and $600,000 when they are looking to buy a condo in Mississauga. That being said, there are a decent number of options below $500,000 as well at 129 sales year to date from January 1st to April 30th, 2025, okay? So now the next thing I'm gonna show you is actually the number of active listings we see here. It's a lot. It is 867, and this is in Mississauga, active listing 867 in Mississauga. Again, the highest price point of active listings you see here is between $500,000 and $600,000, and the average list price $630,000, and the median list price is $595. One thing I want to show you guys here is the average days on market is 44, which is definitely higher than the freehold homes. So lots of inventory. The busiest market is between $500,000 and $600,000. There's almost 900 listings for sale currently in Mississauga across all condo apartment types. So now what I want to show you guys is where the prices have gone from this time last year, from April 1st, 2024 to April 30th, 2025. Okay, so this is across all condo apartment types: 1-bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, bachelor apartments. So here you can see the median list price. We want to actually see the sale price, so we'll want to go transaction price here. Okay, so the median sale price was in April 2024 $612,000. And where are we at now? We are at $525,000. So there is no end in sight for the near term of these prices going up anytime soon. Looks like they will be continuing to go down, but I want to take it a step further. Let's see what 1-bedrooms and 2-bedroom pricing look like. So first, let's go to 1-bedroom. And here it was at, let's see what it was at, $525,000 from this time last year. And today it is at $449,000. Steep decline over 1 year. And let's see 2 bedrooms. Here we were at $625,000. And now we are at $535,000. Steep declines. Just for sakes, let's go 3 bedrooms and see how that's faring. There's not many 3-bedroom condos in Mississauga. There are, but if you are looking for a 3-bedroom unit, it's probably better you focus on condo townhouses or even freehold townhouses if your budget allows. But for 3-bedroom condo apartments, let's just look at the pricing: $635,000, and today it is $547,000. So all across the board for all condo types, it has been going down. So now what I want to talk about is how you as a buyer can actually take advantage of this market. And I got 5 tips for you. So let's get right into the 5 tips. So if you are looking to get into the condo market, first of all, on a side note, I just want to make sure you understand this part because this is very important. Don't buy for the near term. Don't buy for the short term thinking that you're going to be able to flip it or make some money on it in 1 to 2 years. Those days, unfortunately, are behind us for the time being. They may come back later on, but I don't see it happening anytime soon. So make sure you're buying with the long-term mindset of about 5 to 7 years minimum so that you're not heartbroken, you're not disappointed in how your investment has fared over the next few years. So the first tip that I'm gonna give you as a Mississauga condo buyer is do not be afraid to lowball. Lowball. There is no harm. If your agent is telling you or your representative is, oh no, that's too low, you know what? Go in with what you feel comfortable with and really shoot your shot because there are several desperate sellers out there and not all of them are really expecting what they are asking. They're frustrated. So do your best to get the lowest you can on whatever condo you are offering on. The second tip is target listings that have been on the market for at least 30 days, and there is no shortage of these listings. The reason I say that is because there's new listings coming out onto the market every single day. If you target the listings that have been listed for 30 days or more, that seller is more than willing to work with you and negotiate with you. Now, if there's a new listing that has just come on the market, that seller does not know that you have been shopping for, let's say, a month or two already. They may think that their listing is just so good that after a week or two or a couple of days, they're getting an offer on their unit. That can't be more far from the truth. It's just a matter of luck for them that, you know, their listing came up, it meets your criteria, and you've already been searching for how many months. So I would focus on the current available inventory, the ones that have been listed for at least 30 days. The third thing is get really picky with your needs and wants. Be as picky as you want. The reason I'm saying this is because there is so much inventory, so many options. You might lose your hair trying to figure out, let's look at all of them. So be very picky, pick your buildings, narrow it down to the buildings you like the most, the locations. Do your homework on the buildings, check management reviews on Google. Trust me, there are management reviews and Google reviews on condos on Google. So really do your homework, pick the building and narrow your search as much as you can so that you're not overwhelmed with the number of options that are available in the market right now. Number 4 is don't be afraid to act fast. Some people think that because it's a buyer's market, because there's no shortage of inventory, I can take my sweet time. It's a yes and no to that answer. You can take your sweet time, but if something good comes up that is within your budget, that you really like, and that is priced right, those things are still selling. So things are still selling. It's not like nothing is selling in the market, especially good listings that are priced bang on with what the market dictates its value is. They're selling, they're not sitting on the market. So act fast on the ones that you really like and fit your needs and criteria. Those ones, don't wait on. You can wait on shopping around and taking your time looking at different options, but when you see that one, act fast because I can almost guarantee you somebody else will act faster than you because your eye is just like many other people's eyes when they're looking at units. You know, if you like it and you think this is the one, I can guarantee you there's probably a lineup of buyers that are feeling the exact same way. And the one who acts fast is the one that's going to get that unit. And number 5, finally work with a realtor that understands the market intimately. This is where experience and knowledge comes in hand in a market like today because you don't want somebody that's just opening doors for you. You want somebody that is going to speak to you as if they are investing with you, that understands how this market is acting, that understands and sees where the deals are in the market today, that can pinpoint and tell you, okay, this is the one that you need to offer on because this seller is desperate and you can get the best deal on this unit. Someone who understands the market intimately, someone who wants to strategize with you for your future and in your investment portfolio. And again, they should be able to hand pick the listings that they feel are the best deals in today's market. So make sure you interview your agent and ask a bunch of questions to see their market knowledge. And I will do another video of questions that you should ask your realtor when you are looking to be represented on your journey to own a home. So this was a very quick recap of Mississauga's condo market. It is sliding on its way down. The listings are piling up. Clearly the prices are coming down, not a little bit, but significantly. So it might be the right time for you to dive in or not. And if you just have some questions, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 647-208-9724. I do have a link in the description where you can tell me a little bit more about what you're looking for, and someone from my team or myself will get back to you directly. I hope this helps. If you know somebody else that's looking to buy a condo in Mississauga, forward this video on to them. I'm sure it will help them as well. Again, my goal with this channel is just to make the buying and selling process simple.